All right, guys. So I want to show you this electric wire stripper. It could handle a couple different sizes, different electric wires. It only uses about 15 watts. It's pretty light, about 10 pounds or a little over. It does about 50 feet per minute. So let's go ahead and get it out the box. So it comes with the instructions in here. You could go over them. Comes with some screws in case you want to mount it in a table or something like that. Here is the power strip, the power thing, the power control, off, minimum, max. Then here's the wire stripper. So let's go ahead and plug it up right here. I got these, I believe this is a 10 gauge, 12 gauge wire right here. So I think it could do the minimums like 14 gauge, I think. So I got these Bluetti power station right here, which I'm going to use. Plug it up right here. And as you can see, started already spinning. Let's go ahead and turn it off. You control the switch right here, on, off. So let me go ahead and into this wire through here. Or I believe you have to set this. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Safety first. Figure this thing out. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. So this is the first time using it. So doing it right with you guys. I haven't even gone through the instructions. Not doing it right. So I gotta line this thing up. I believe right there, I think. So let's try this again. So I am not doing this thing right. Let me see. No, I'm not doing this thing right. So let me pause the video for you guys. Let me go over the instructions real quick and see how this thing works. All right, guys. So let's try this again. You just gotta line it up. Gotta line it up and then pass it through, as you can see. Then you turn this thing off, and all it does is splits it right in the middle. And then you just gotta take this thing, the cover out. So like I said, it only uses about 15 watts. It does 50 feet per minute, as you can see, to strip it out. So again, this was my first time using it. So took me, I don't know, like a minute to figure it out, just adjusting all this to the right height, moving it up here, leveling it up, bringing it down, up, and then just making sure all this lines up where you're gonna put in the wire in. So all you gotta do is just look on this side and adjust it here going down. Then adjust this going up some. And that's how you would line it up, pass the wire through. And as you can see, it stripped the whole wire. But yeah, so hopefully this helped you out. And if you're interested in it, we'll definitely recommend it.